Line type definitions have certain spacing between the dashes, so how you scale the line type dictates how it will display. So when working in model space, you can simply apply an LT scale, and the line type will auto-adjust to now be the proper distances based on the scale factor you select. Setting your land effects plot scale will set the appropriate LT scale automatically to match the dim scale. Just make sure to regen all to see the changes. Putting a viewport into the mix is where it starts getting tricky, which is where PSLTSCALE comes in. Do you want the line type to apply to the viewport scaling, or have AutoCAD ignore the viewport scaling entirely? Whatever you pick, you just need to regen all to see your changes. Now, what if you had different scaled viewports, or details in the layout? This is where it really breaks down, and the unfortunate part is that you will need to set the LT scale to 1 in order to plot from paper space. But when you go back to model space, you will need to set your LT scale back to 20. This brings us to the ideal setup, which happens to line up with best practices anyways, to XREF into a sheet file. You will still do your design work in the respective file, making sure your LT scale matches your plot scale, then create and open a sheet layout template, and set both LT scale and PSLT scale to 1. Keep in mind that each layout has a unique PSLT scale, so each one will need to be set individually. One of the reasons that setting up a sheet layout template will save you that much more time. XREF your working drawing into model space, set your layouts and viewports as needed, and no matter the scale set, you will see that the line types will automatically match that of the original working drawing's model space, ensuring your line types are set at the proper size every single time.